Are you doing visual arts at the CSEC level? Completed your 10 pieces? Need some extra classes? Artwork Flies CSEC Visual Arts classes on Saturdays at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at First Step Preschool, 4 Church Street, St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica. This is the yellow and blue building next to the Anglican Church Hall. November the 5th, 2022 to February 25th, 2023 at a cost of $1,000 JMD or $10 US. 50% cash deposit to reserve your seat. For online consultations, call or text. All schools are welcomed. Email or WhatsApp for more information at 1-876-896-3044 or artworkflyco@gmail.com.